Postman's just been, and it's So Sampler time of the month again. So this is my monthly subscription box that I get. I end up paying 54 Australian to my door. So we're going to open it up and see what we get on the inside this month. So I'm pretty excited about it. I have no idea what's in it. I haven't looked it up or anything like that. So it'll be just as much of a surprise for me. Alrighty, so it's Neighbourhood Block Party. And there's just a few things that you can purchase, and there's a code for that. It's got, as usual, it's got its everything that's in the box. And I've noticed that this card actually has the price of everything on it again, so that's pretty good. Alrighty, so alright, let's see what else we've got in here. Okay, so pull the tape off. So this is, there's looks like they've put all the fabric and some other items in there as well. So we've got like a clear case type thing, and it's got a little storage box, so you could put cottons, or on the cover it's got cottons and fabric, beads, and so you could use it for a few different things. So there's a cake mix recipe 4 booklet in it. I've never actually used one of these before, so that's going to be good to use it. There's 2 charm packs, and these are it's Vintage Holiday by Bonnie and Camille. It's absolutely, the colours, I don't even think the camera does justice to the colours. They're absolutely gorgeous, and I actually am pretty lucky in Christmas fabric, so I'm pretty happy about that. What else have we got? Now they're just telling me in the card that this retails for $6.24 US, and these are $19.96, the charm packs, and the little clear box is $4.49. And what else have we got? And we've got a little enamel pin to add to my collection, and it's by Thimble and Blossoms. It's a cute little pin. It's a little, like you can see there, it's a little house, so that'll go with all my collection. We've got another barn block to go with it, and this one is number 3. And then we have, oh wow, this quilt is absolutely gorgeous. So it's Cupcake Crossing, and it's 50 inches by 50 inches, and oh wow, it's really, really nice. I really like it. So that looks fairly simple enough. It looks like it's using a lot of half square triangles and a few charm squares and sewn together and everything. But the colours are absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And it's actually using the charm packs by the looks of it. So basically what you need is, yeah, the charm packs, some background fabric and some border fabrics, and then you're ready to go. So yeah, that's awesome. Alrighty, so that's the box for this month. There's just a few things in there this month, but I've noticed that after the last couple of months they didn't have the retail prices of what was in the box, and they've seemed to have gone back to that. As usual, there's your promo codes and some extra things that you can get, and all the rest of it. And of course you've got your promotional code for 20% off the other cake mixes, and anything that's in the box, basically you get 15% off June items. So I might have to go and do a little bit of shopping, I think, this afternoon, because these fabrics are absolutely gorgeous, and I really would like to get some more to go with it. I'll have to do a video on me making the quilt out of this, because I'm definitely going to make it, because I haven't made a Christmas quilt for a long time. So that'll be exciting to do, like give me a project that I haven't been inspired lately, but I really like the look of that one, so I'm going to give that a go. So I hope you like this little unboxing today of the So Sampler box. If you're curious about it, especially for the Australian audience, as we don't have these, as I said, it's $54.95 to my door, and that's everything that we've got in it for this month, which is a good collection of stuff, and it's always nice to get a surprise in the mail. So my name's Nicole Reid for Darvanalee Design Studio, and this is the So Sampler monthly subscription box by the Fat Quarter Shop. Thanks very much for joining me today, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye for now.